Hi, my name's Bill Mackay. Welcome to Tech Talk. We haven't done this for a little while, but I thought I'd come back into your lounge room or your computer screen, wherever you watch me from. Today we're going to talk about the HP ZBook Fury Generation 10 machine. This is an i9, i7 or i5 HX processor machine, and it's got the goods. Let's see what we've got. HP have done a great job with their recycled packaging. Most of their machine is all the packaging materials are power cord. We don't need that. Massive power adapter here. This is a 200 watt power adapter with their proprietary port. Come on, let's get the beast out. All the instructions, we don't need that. This is a super machine. So, full workstation class machine, ISV certified, all set up for designers, developers, photographers, CAD designers can use this machine. Let's go into the tech specs now. Within a range of processors from i5 13600HX right up to i9 13950HX, with 15.6 inch 1920 by 1080 screen right up to 3840 by 2400 touch screen. We've got 4 SODIMM memory slots of dual channel memory capable of 128 gig, and it'll support up to 4 terabyte PCIe Gen 4. With the NVIDIA A1000 graphics card right up to the RTX 5000 with 16 gig of dedicated memory. This is a super powerful machine and it will fit just about everyone. That's it from me, from Tech Talk. My name's Bill Mackay. It's been great having you on board. I forgot to mention, this has got embedded 4G LTE or 5G if you want. You can work from anywhere. Best I be off.